Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to DigitalDucksApps.com. My name is Chuck Shaduck. I am the Digital Duck, and this is the vehicle that I have chosen to ride with and use to make a dollar online. This is all a donation platform, and it's called CryptoBuilder.com. It's CryptoBuilder.com, and together we can reach our financial wealth that we want to, and we can do it through donations and giving and receiving from others. So it's nothing to buy, nothing to purchase, but you are also donating and giving to others, donating to people Bitcoin. And as you can see, it's got three matrices on it. It's called matrix number one is tortoise, then it goes to ambitious, and then it goes to liftoff. The tortoise is slow but steady and affordable for most, and it starts at a $20 donation of Bitcoin. All right, that gets you into the system. You bring in two folks that donate to you a $20 donation of Bitcoin, gives you two 20s, and that'll be $40. The upgrade fee for level 2 is $40, so that is automatically done. There's no earnings of Bitcoin on that level. Now you get 4 of those positions. That'll be 2 times 2 is 4, and then they will be giving you $40 a piece. That's $160 donations that will be made. $60 will be taken, $40 will be, $80 will be taken out for the next upgrade fee, which is level 3, $80. It's taken out. You are also bought 4 more positions along with the one that you got on level 2. So that gives you 5 more positions into the tortoise matrix, starting all over again. And then you go to level 4. You will receive 16 donations of $260 in Bitcoin, and that will be a total of $4,160 in Bitcoin that is donated to you. The upgrade fee is $1,040, which is right here. That puts you into the next level, which is level 5. At that point, at $1,040, you end up with $2,800 worth of Bitcoin that has been donated to you, and you purchase, and it automatically has been purchased 16 more positions. So there's 21 more positions in the tortoise matrix just to get started. Once you get to level 5, that means that 32 people will be sending you that $260. That gives you $1,040, right? You do that times 32, that's 33,280. That is donated to you in Bitcoin. The upgrade fee to go to level 6 is $3,000. That's automatically taken and implemented for you. Gives you a total in earnings or from donations of $29,000, and 59 more positions are purchased for you, or are donated to others for you to get back into the tortoise matrix and start it all over again. And level 5, you'll notice also that over here it says one donation is going to be made of $100 to enter into matrix system number 2, which is the ambitious level. This is for the daring among you who are positive they won't have any problems getting like-minded people on board for the $100. It's automatically deducted for you and put you into the ambitious level. Ambitious and tortoise and liftoff all work the same way. They are automatically upgraded to the next level, which is a donation, and you are automatically put into a new position, as you can see here. Once you get into the ambitious one, you'll be purchasing new positions in it. So this system will be running the tortoise and the ambitious, and when you get done, the liftoff system will do the exact same thing as you can see right over here. This is the purchase into the liftoff system right there, the $500. Once you get through the matrix, the same way as you did on the tortoise, identical. Everybody normally will start at the tortoise. They have an opportunity to donate all 3 systems at one time if they like. Not necessary. Most people do start at the tortoise level. Like myself, that's what I started at. As you can see, though, it's all automated, and there's no need for you to do anything but bring in 2 people. And here's what I have been referring to people as calling it paying it forward. If you can pay it forward for 2 folks to get into the tortoise matrix for $20 each, that's $40. When you reach level 5 in that tortoise matrix, you can get a new position in the ambitious matrix for $100, which you see right over here. The $100 is automatically deducted, right? And this is all automated. It is not anything that you have to do. I did, and I recommend to everybody, is we pay it forward for two people for the total of the $40 for two positions, and we find two folks to pay it forward to and bring them in, and we will do that in return. I have a team right now that is at digitalducksapps.com. We'll have a Skype group. We also have a Zoom room and things where we get together once a week. You're welcome to join us. This matrix system is automated. The only thing we got to do is get two, and if we can't get two, we'll help you find two and get two. Also have a newsletter that will become to anybody that registers. It'll be sent out, and it also will give you the more information about just what we do and who I am. I'm Chuck Shaduck, the Digital Duck, and as you can see, these three matrices all work the same, and they are automated. They are automated to move to the next matrix, to the next level, all of it. Not much to do, but bring two people to the party, and you can pay it forward for folks. Just imagine being able to donate to two friends a total of $40, $20 each, and being able to help them get into this matrix to where the donations that people give to other people and help other people is what makes this world go around and all these matrices work. So I'm Chuck Shaduck. I am the owner of the digitalducksapps.com, and I do believe that this is the vehicle that all of us would like to be on together. And I love meeting you and talking to everybody, so you can click the link down below here, and you can actually come in and say hello. If you have any questions, give me a holler. I'm Chuck Shaduck. Once again, I live in St. Joseph, Missouri in the US of A, and I'm glad to be here today, tomorrow, and every day after. Take care for now.